how to buy green Satoshi token. So this token came under the symbol of GST. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. So as you can see, this token is available on COINEX. So be able to buy this token. It's easy and simple. Just copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under this network. Open your wallet. For that, I will use the basic wallet. Now select the Solana as a network from here. Click on this plus icon. Now paste the token address. So as you can see, click on this plus icon to add this token to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find the token that you just added called GST. So after you find it, click on it. Click on swap here. Switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy, for example, USDT, and make sure that you have enabled USDT on your wallet. Now after that, type how much you want to buy, and here we'll be able to see how much you receive. So this is it, as you can see here. So after that, click on swap, and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. It's easy and simple. So this is how to buy GST or green Satoshi token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.